Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to create a free website. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a website for free, without any coding or technical knowledge. Whether you're starting a personal blog or creating a website for your business, this guide will help you get started. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a website builder. The first step in creating a free website is to choose a website builder. There are many website builders available online, such as Wix, WordPress, and Weebly. For this tutorial, we'll be using Wix, as it's one of the most popular and user-friendly website builders out there. Step 2. Sign up and choose a template. Once you've chosen your website builder, go to their website and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, choose a template that suits your needs. Wix has many templates to choose from, including templates for personal blogs, portfolios, and business websites. Step 3. Customize your template. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize it. Click on the template to open the editor, and start customizing your website. You can add text, images, and other elements to your website by using the drag and drop editor. Wix makes it easy to customize your website, even if you have no technical knowledge. Step 4. Add pages to your website. Now that you've customized your homepage, it's time to add more pages to your website. You can add pages for your blog, contact page, and any other pages you need for your website. You can also customize each page with different elements, such as text, images, and videos. Step 5. Publish your website. Once you've customized your website and added all the pages you need, it's time to publish your website. Click on the Publish button, and your website will go live. Congratulations! You've just created a free website. Conclusion: creating a website for free is easy with website builders like Wix. With just a few clicks, you can customize your website and publish it online. Whether you're starting a personal blog or creating a website for your business, this guide will help you get started. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own website today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share my channel.